Okay guys, good morning. So I came to Oulu yesterday. My company is expanding to the city. We have few clients lined up already, and I came in yesterday to provide education and training for our recruits. So, and it was nice, and I'm leaving today. So, but something kind of caught my attention yesterday. This particular thing in the balcony. I don't really have idea what it is, but we should check it out. Guys, come with me. Okay. Wow, it's like what is it called? It's like I don't know what to call it, but let's open it. Wow, this is like a ladder, but not really, right? Okay, please call emergency exit arch. Oh my god, this is here to provide emergency exit for people in case of hazards or fire or some other thing, or if people just want to escape from the apartment. Wow, I think this is cool. I think this is nice. I think this is a lifesaver. This is just a 6-story building, but guess what? This is exactly what happened when the provision of security runs in the mindset of people, when it runs in the mindset of the government, when it runs in the mindset of the community. This is exactly what you get. I'm not going to say too much. God bless Nigeria. May God restore adequate security to my dear country, Nigeria. Thank you guys. Wow, this is amazing.